guys, Miss Lee. So I am actually going to be talking to you guys about GCF today, greatest common factor. You guys are used to having 2 or 3 numbers and having to write out lists of factors. If you have a teacher that has taught you the method I'm about to go over, your teacher's awesome. Seriously, thank them. I'm sure you already have. So we are not going to be sitting here wasting 10 to 15 minutes on each problem, writing out 1 times this, 2 times this, 4 times this, 9 times this. I think 12 equals that. I don't know. We are going to cut your workload in more than half. We're cutting it in more than half. So greatest common factor, aka GCF. The method that I use is the T-chart. Like, y'all probably hear this on a few of my videos. I use the T-chart as much as possible. So with the T-chart, it's 2 simple steps. You complete the T-chart, which I'm going to show you how to complete the T-chart. Unless you already know, then you already know what's up. And then step 2, you multiply the outside numbers, and that's how you get your GCF. So T-chart. So far this year, I have used the T-chart to reduce fractions. I have used it to find the GCF. I have used it to find GCF word problems. And today, I actually taught my students how to rewrite expressions by factoring out by using a T-chart as well. That is a state tested question for 6th grade, at least in New Jersey, and in New Mexico, and in Texas. Just because I've seen their state release questions and these types of questions on there. So we are going to start with finding the GCF of 42 and 60. So I'm going to make my life so much easier. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to pick the smallest number. They're both even, so I'm going to take out a 2. And it's 2 times 21 is 42, and 2 times 30 is 60. So what you put here is, like, you pretend this is a times, even though it looks like a plus, right? So you would say 2 times what is 42? 2 times what is 60? We're now done with these numbers. You don't have to cross them off. I'm crossing them off just for you. All right, so 21 and 30, the only numbers that equals 21 is 3 and 7, other than 21. And 3 equals 30, so I'm going to take out a 3. And 3 times what is 21? 7. And 3 times what is 30? 10. I cannot take anything out of these 2 numbers. So I'm done. That's step 1. Step 2, you multiply these numbers. 2 times 3 is 6. Your GCF is 6. Was that not much easier? And it works every time. And it doesn't matter. You can take out a 6 and you're still going to end up with 7 and 10. So it doesn't really matter. All right, let's do another problem. I've got 3 more to do with you. I have 14 and 84. All right, once again, I'm going to start small. I'm going to take out a 2. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times, I'm a little lazy. Sometimes when I can do this, I do. It doesn't always work though. Look, I got 8 and 4. They're both even. 2 times 4 is 8, and 2 times 2 is 4. So 2 times 42. It doesn't always work, like I said. All right, so 7 and 42, I can take out a 7. 7 times 1 is 7, and 7 times 6 is 42. I can no longer reduce. I step 2, come out here. 2 times 7 is 14. Simple. Well, it isn't when you do it the other way, Venn diagram way. The Venn diagram can be difficult. The regular method can be difficult. All right, so 18, 72, and 144. Once again, start small. Just pull out a 2. They're all even. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 36 is 72. And 2 times 72 is 144. All right, 9, 36, and 72. Think about 9. The only number that can equal 9 is 3 and 9. We could pull out a 9, but I am going to show you there's more than one way to do this, and you'll get the same answer. So I'm going to take a 3 out. So 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 12 is 36. And 3 times 24 is 72. Okay? And then I have 3, 12, and 24. I can only take out a 3, so 3 times 1 is 3. Like, these numbers no longer matter, right? 3 times 4 is 12, and 3 times 8 is 24. 1, 4, and 8, I can't reduce anymore. I come out here, I multiply. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. Now, I said that you can do this in multiple ways. Look at my last numbers. 1, 4, 8. Check this out. I really did that. 9, 36, and 72. Is that what that was? Yeah. 9, 36, 72. All right, so remember I said you could take out a 3 or a 9. So let's take out the 9. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 4 is 36. And 9 times 8 is 72. 1, 4, 8. 2 times 9 is 18. That's your GCF. All right, last problem. All right, 24, 84, and 104. I'm going to take out a 2 just because that's just my thing. All right, I've got 2 times 12, 2 times 42, and 2 times 52. Okay? All right, and now 12, 42, and 52. 52 is really what's messing with me. 52 is not a very common number in factors, in multiplying, in products, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to pull out another 2 because it is even. So I know 2 will equal it. So I get 6, 21, and 26. 6 and 21, 3 can equal both of those, but that 26, 3 doesn't equal 26. So that's it. We're done. 2 times 2 is 4. Now, how many of you would have thought that the numbers has to be bigger for those 3? You would have definitely been sitting there for like 15 minutes being like, there has to be another number. There has to be another number. 4 is your GCF. I hope this helped. I am going to do the GCF word problem, and I'm going to be doing the rewriting expressions using the GCF. Let me give you a little sneak peek. Hold on. Bonus. Let me give you a bonus. So rewriting expressions. So this is like if they said, all right, what is 21 plus 36? No, I don't like that. Sorry. Too simple. What is 24, my favorite number, plus 32? Rewritten by factoring out the expression, which means it needs to be in distributive property, like this. Okay, so this is a sneak peek. What I would do is I would create a T-chart, 24 and 32. I'm going to take out a 4 this time. 4 times 6 is 24, and 4 times 8 is 32. I'm not done. 6 and 8, I can take out a 2. 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 times 4 is 8. I'm done. 4 times 2 is 8, right? Okay, now, in this situation, you could rewrite this in 2 ways, unless I told you to write out the GCF. Ready? Hold up. Let me erase this row. Sorry, I got a little excited because I was like doing GCF this whole time, so I got a little carried away. All right, so ready? Check this out. You see how this format is? Look, 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 look. You ain't ready. Look. Boom, boom, boom. That's one way to write it. If I were to redo this and distribute the 4 in, 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 8 is 32. All right, now, one more thing. If you keep going, because you can pull out another number, right? We got 2, we said, and we get 3 and 4. And then we got to do the GCF. 2 times 4 is 8. Ready? It's not the 2, because 2 times 3 is not 24. It's 8. Like that. 8 and 3 plus 4. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 4 is 32. Anyway, I hope this helped. Maybe you don't want to watch my next video now. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. I don't really care. If you liked that and you're a little confused on it, watch my next video. It'll be posted whenever, sometime in the next 7 days. Bye. Oop. Bye.